How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I want to talk to you about Voyager Digital, which is up 19% here today. So I want to explain why this is moving up so quickly. I want to explain some of the big news that has happened recently because they've been making more partnerships. They do have some big events here coming up very soon, and why you might want to look into Voyager Digital, the stock. My name's Sam. I come over to the TipRanks channel once a week to talk about different growth stocks. I've talked about this one once before for a full video, but this is one of the crypto stocks that I actually personally own. So I did want to give you an update because it is looking very bullish right now. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button and subscribe button, I really do appreciate that. And if you guys want an unfair advantage with TipRanks Premium, you can check out the link underneath the video. So let's take a look at Voyager Digital. The ticker symbol is VYGVF. So this was recently falling down quite drastically. We can actually take a look at it here. The price kept on falling down and falling down from earlier in the year when it hit almost $30, and it's been down and down and down since. But now they're getting some bullish news, and as the whole cryptocurrency market seems to be taking off, this is a stock you have to pay attention to. So first of all, let's take a look at what the analysts are saying. So they give it a $22 price target from $12.33 now. That's about a 80% upside. There are more analysts covering it too, most likely because they just got updated or upgraded to the TSX, Toronto Stock Exchange, instead of just the OTC markets. So you can see that they are trying to get closer and closer to the NASDAQ. That is a goal of theirs. Now, why is this moving up so drastically here today? Well, obviously the cryptocurrency market is moving up, but we've seen the cryptocurrency market move up over the last month while Voyager kept on falling. Well, they have some news. So first of all, they announced a big partnership with the Dallas Mavericks yesterday. If you know the Dallas Mavericks, you know Mark Cuban. And if you know Mark Cuban, he is someone that is very vocal about the cryptocurrency markets. So they are now partnering with the Dallas Mavericks. This makes them the first international partner of the Dallas Mavericks, enabling both parties to reach a wider global audience to raise brand awareness. The Mavs are proud to announce Voyager to the Dallas Mavericks family. Mark Cuban says, crypto assets and applications are changing how business and personal finances are done. We believe our partnership with Voyager will allow Mavs and NBA fans to learn more about Voyager and how they can earn more from Voyager's platform. So that is the main reason why a lot of people use Voyager. So you can buy cryptocurrency assets on there. You have a wide variety of them, but they also pay interest rates, which is why so many people sign up for them, because you can get up to 12% on your cryptocurrency. So that is something that a lot of people want to see because you get passive income. They say this partnership gives us the opportunity to educate people all over the world on how to use crypto. So this is pretty exciting, pretty big partnership, but there's even a bigger one that they just announced today. Voyager Digital secures $75 million strategic investment from Alameda Research. Now, if you're not in the crypto space, maybe you don't know what Alameda Research is. I'll explain that here in a second, but they are a pioneer in the crypto industry. They say Alameda is one of the largest crypto market makers in the world, and we believe there are significant opportunities in working together. While the immediate opportunity is in the order flow and asset management front, we are tremendously excited about the potential future synergistic opportunities in the continuously evolving crypto industry. This includes NFTs and crypto derivatives through Alameda, as well as the creation of thought leadership as we work with lawmakers on shaping regulation. Now, this is fascinating because if you know Alameda Research, you know that it is owned by Sam Bankman-Fried. So he is one of the biggest names in the crypto industry. He is the CEO and founder of FTX, one of the largest exchanges in the world, and Alameda Research. He is very rich and very young. He studied at MIT, and he's really well known, like I said, in crypto. So this is huge because this is one of the companies he owns, and they make a lot of partnerships. So FTX itself is really, really getting their name out there. They struck a partnership with the MLB. They have partnered with Kevin O'Leary, with a lot of other professional athletes. They have partnered with Mercedes. They make a ton of partnerships. So they are a company you really want to get in with because they are getting their name out there and they're so successful right now. Some people might be asking, why is Voyager down then? If all this stuff is happening and the cryptocurrency markets are going off like crazy, they're going up and to the right, why is Voyager down? Well, that's because they are a growth company that did not grow last quarter. In my opinion, that's the reason why. So they had a revenue of just about 63 to 67 million compared to 109 the quarter before. So that's why people probably weren't real happy with them because of the fact that they had so much less in revenue. Now, they are one of the fastest growing companies out there. If you look like a year back, they had $2 million worth of revenue. Now you're talking about $60-70 million worth. But they also came up with a plan for how they can make up for the other money that they didn't get this quarter, because most of their money comes from trading revenues. They say, we expect that reward and yield revenue will generate a minimum of 40 to 50 million of rewards and yield revenue for the December quarter, in addition to the standard transactional revenue. So they're going to diversify the revenue model to get long-term staking rewards. So they're going to stake some of their crypto, get some extra income. So that will hopefully make up for a decent amount of that difference. And then also too, if you've been paying attention to crypto recently, Shiba Inu has had insane volume. We're talking about $43 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours. And this is one of the few companies, I shouldn't say few, but this is one of the companies that you can actually trade Shiba Inu on. And you can get an interest rate on your Shiba Inu. So I'm guessing they're having a good amount of volume in Shiba Inu, which will definitely help them in terms of revenue for this next quarter. Now, they had 860,000 funded accounts. I wouldn't be surprised if they got over 1 million by the end of the year, which is a big number. Now, they do have another big piece of news that they announced recently. They got final approval to begin operations in Europe. I know a lot of my viewers on my own channel have a difficult time trying to figure out where to trade crypto and where to get interest if they're outside the US and Canada. So when they actually go over to Europe next year, they could definitely grow a good amount very quickly. They do have their fiscal year and Q4 results update tomorrow. So 8 a.m. Eastern time on October 29. Of course, anything can happen when they have this call, but you should definitely put this one on your radar. Definitely pay attention to it because it is looking really bullish. Now, of course, if you bought a few days ago, that would have been better than buying now because it is up 20%, but still down a lot from where it was just a couple months ago. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for checking out the links down below to TipRanks. There you can actually see this new feature, website traffic. Now, I didn't cover this today just because of the fact that almost all the traffic is on mobile because they have a website, Voyager has a website, but you can't actually access your crypto or see anything on your cryptos. It's just basically like a landing page to push you to their app. But you can get this, and it's very useful for other types of stocks, right? Like Facebook, where you can see how many people are actually going to facebook.com. So definitely check that out. You can get it with the ultimate and premium memberships. So thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.